Starting in my bedroom in a while, and it feels so good to be back. I love my home, I really do. I just took a little walk around my apartment complex. Very hilly, very nice. Actually took some filler photos. I saw the most beautiful little patch of wildflowers. It was so fucking cute. Sorry, I'm moving a lot because, you know, I just had my coffee, I'm like energized, so I'm gonna keep it going. I am gonna do a workout. So I'm gonna do a Chloe Ting abs and then a Chloe Ting ass. I haven't worked my ass in like years. Hopefully it's no more than 25 minutes because it's already like 9, if not like 9:15 already. And I did keep my hair in my, what's it called? In my finger coils. I just slept on my satin pillowcase. I kind of just like lay them out like this and I just sleep like that. And then, yeah, so they're actually pretty uniform still because I haven't separated them because it's so humid right now. It gets like misty humid, and luckily they still look like they're intact. I just put them up for this workout specifically. And I'm excited because I think it's gonna turn out really good and look super cute. We're living two different lives. Our love was so unkind. I don't wanna waste no time. So they sent me their transparent, gentle, exfoliating daily cleanser. What is that? It's just on there. Okay, fuck that. It has glycolic acid. They also sent me their Floodgate hyaluronic acid serum. I'm gonna try that. I'm so excited. And then also their, I'm gonna try everything together. And then their clean lightweight daily facial moisturizer. So if you don't mind, can you come over tonight? It's fine, it's fine. I just need a little something from you. Don't wanna love up on you no more. I just wanna touch up on you. Feel that shit I used to like. You know what you're doing. Lord knows we've been through it. It's your choice to pursue it. Hi guys. So it is Tuesday afternoonish. I just picked up, it's one of the funniest things I think I've ever bought, but I'm actually like really excited about it. It's a fucking waist trainer, and like anybody who knew me probably like 2013, 16, and whenever they were like popping off on the gram, I was like, ew, like, no. And I'm still kind of like, ew, no. But I was like, fuck it, I just want to try it because like I'm not a sweater. That's the one thing. Like, I don't sweat a lot, even when I work out, even when it's hot. I mean, I grew up in fucking Texas. Like, I remember being a kid and, like, thinking 80 degrees was, like, kind of cold to me. Like, I'm just really hot-natured, so I just don't sweat that much, especially not on my stomach. So I was like, let me try it, you know, a little snatch-a-rooney. And on top of that, everybody in the world is a fucking hypocrite, including me, and I don't mind. So, let's try it on. Right now I'm just in my Mate the Label sweatsuit. I love this sweatsuit because it's just so fucking cute. I love this color. But I just need to move my body. Like, that's the one thing about, like, this is my first time really having like a desk job, and it's like, yo, you're really there all day. Like, I just can't deal. So I had a half calf about 2 hours? What time is it? Yeah, I had a half calf about 2 hours ago, so I'm like in the fucking mode. And yeah, so I'm gonna change real quick and then try on this little waist trainer. Okay. Sorry, this is so fucking funny. Like, I look like a funny. Wait. I swear, I don't think my torso is like long enough. Like, this is weird. Like, I wouldn't even wear my underwear this low. Like, my underwear is over it right now. I do feel upright though, which is another reason why I got it, because I was like, if I'm gonna sit at a desk all day, I need to be like upright. I don't know. Oh, it is. It's not hard to breathe in. But it isn't easy. I feel very robotic. There's something, like, I kind of like it. It kind of feels like someone's holding me. Oh my god. I feel like if anything, this is like making me boxier. Okay, it's like slightly less boxy. So I feel like that's how it's supposed to be. This is hilarious. Like, this is... I can't. Oh no, and then the fact that it's like releasing. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna try and be serious. I'm gonna try and walk around with this on. See, this is what I don't want to lose though. Like, I like that. Really, like, I would want even a smaller one because I don't mind any of this. Like, it's just like, I want a waist trainer that's just... Okay, I'm gonna stop because this is too much. I feel bionic. So, I picked up some washcloths. These are actually $1.99. These are on like clearance, so that was so cool. And they're this nice brownish color. I love the kids section at Target because it's like literally the same quality stuff, pillow fort, but it's like cheaper for some weird reason. So this is an 8-pack of towels. I think I got these for like $3.99. And then I wasn't sure if these were clearance, so the girl was like, oh, they are. So I was like, whatever, get them all. Like, so I think I got 8. I don't know what 8 plus 6 is. That's sad. 15? 14. I picked up the Flamingo razor. I've never tried this, but I was like, whatever. I'll try it. Why not? Cute. And then I got a leg mask. This isn't the one I usually I get the green one, but this is the only one that they had. So it's the charcoal one. So excited about that. Like, name a better sound. Name a better sound. Ready to go, and I'm so excited. First thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. Usually this is the longest part of the entire process, and I found something that makes it way less long. Like, I'm obsessed. This is the Amika, the Wizard Detangling Primer. This is a primer for your hair, like, sorry, I'm seeing how much I've used. Like before you blow dry and stuff. Like heat protects and whatnot, but as a detangler, it just can't be beat. But I finished wetting down my hair. I'm just going to apply the mask. Yeah, so now that's done, I'm going to finish up the work that I need to do and clean up this. This is a mess. Like, what you see is cute, everything else is a fucking mess. There's shit everywhere. Okay, so I've laid out my new fresh towel. So excited to use it. I just cleaned up my room a little bit. I got the cake out of my purse. I definitely ruined a pair of sunglasses, but it's okay because it was a pair of sunglasses that my friends and boyfriend hated, which only makes me want them more. I love when people hate the things I wear. I'm like, I'm gonna wear this all the time. Anyways, so it's time to do a nice little face mask, and then I am gonna call my mom because she's like, call me, and I'm like, okay, I will. I'm just not in a talkative mood. I haven't been in a talkative mood for like I don't even know as I'm talking. Please. So I'm going to do a quick mask. My face has been tight like all day, so I'm going to wash my face with Clear Genius gel cleanser real quick, and then I'm going to do their new, I don't know if these are new, but they sent them to me in a PR package, so I'm assuming their new Spa To Go Moisture Intensifier 10-minute hyaluronic acid facial, just because my skin is so like dry today. But the weather went from like 60s to kind of like 70s to like literally it's 90 degrees right now. So although it's not like it went dry, it's just, I don't know, the weather just really changed, and usually that means my skin and my body too is gonna kind of freak out. So I'm just gonna try and balance it out a little bit. I also am breaking out because I slept in my makeup because I was so tired and hungover or drunk. I don't know what day this happened. I was drunk one day, slept in my makeup, broke out, and I'm in the middle of clearing it. But yeah, let's get this face did.
Happy raps. Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls got a Starbucks, yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart with no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start fam. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need a drop of.
I'm just gonna use my little mask brush from Gleeman. It's completely clear. It's literally just a clear gel mask. This is my first time using it, but I'm really excited. And it does have a bit of a smell to it. It kind of smells like, very familiar actually. Smells give me like the weirdest deja vu. When I start getting like really, like I start to like really analyze. I'm like, is it because I smelled the smell before, or is it because like I am getting closer to what I am supposed to be doing, which is really extreme. But it's how I think. That's how I think about everything. I'm always thinking about the bigger picture, like literally. I'm getting it kind of close to my eyes, not super close, but just a little closer than it would obviously than like a clay mask or something more drying. And then getting around my mouth. And then I'm also gonna take this to my neck. I know I'm using a lot, but honestly, like little things like this, like miniatures, there's something about it where I'm like, and frankly, I have a lot of skincare, so I like to use it all, and it makes it easier to use a lot than to be like too sparing with it, and then it expires, and then that's wasteful, so more is more. Sorry, I just unboxed my flamingo. I am kind of like, this is so gross, but I'm like, how, like for your pussy lip. I don't know. It honestly, I'm gonna be 100. This looks really fucking cheap. I guess it's supposed to be cheap, but it just looks cheap. But we'll see. I might like it. Like, who knows? Like, I love a lot of cheap shit.
This has cheap.
What the? But this is definitely like not giving me. I mean, I guess it's supposed to be disposable. I'm just a chic intuition kind of girl, so. No, wait, that's the fucking like Rolls Royce razors. Like, no, I don't know. It just looks fucking cheap to me. But I need a drink and become hairless. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I found you in the best place possible, and I will see you in my next one. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Yvanna Burke. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!
She let me in college, I know it, that's true. I'ma be home real soon, let's go get coffee for two.